916, muscle up. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share the channel. We at Good Guys, Scottsdale. It's going down Saturday. It rained out yesterday. I was gonna try to get 2 days in, but I'm only gonna get in today because I think it's supposed to rain again tomorrow. So we're gonna take a stroll through here and look at some cool hot rods, muscle cars. Leave a comment, let me know what's your favorite. Looks like a 69 Camaro, actually a 68 with an LT4 wedged up in there. Thing's looking clean. Got actually an LSA up in it. Looks like it's a 6-speed. It's got some clean interior. Sweet ride. Sweet ride. 468. This is a 60, and it's got a roaster shop chassis underneath it. And they made the engine look like it was old school, but this is actually an LS. Super clean. This bad boy moves too. And this is a 36 Ford convertible. Oh, this is clean. Take a look at this. But uh-oh, I hear something. Clean paint job out here. If you've never been to Good Guys, you should go at least once. They have it out here in Scottsdale twice a year, and I try to go both times. It's a 34 Ford. Another clean car. It's for sale. Looks like it's got a, I don't know if you call those nail head.
Not as cool as this.
V8. Got the rumble seat in the back.
This is pretty unique. Yeah, I like all of it.
Cool. 40Z 72 with the LS up in it. And it seems like this is the way to go when you want to put some extra power, unless you want to go straight JDM. I've seen people go JDM too. Let me know what you prefer, if you like the LS or if you would put a JDM instead, like a 2JZ in this. Clean interior, very classy. 6-speed.
This is 300 horsepower.
Yeah, it's badass. Got the cantilever in the back. Got the little flares on it, and it's got dual exhaust. Great.
Yeah, and it's super easy to change.
They do some sick hot rods out here, and I remember seeing this car on YouTube because it was at the Detroit Autorama. I mean, look at this, man. Next level shit right here. Dude, this is badass. Let's look at that interior.
Right here in the back.
Incredible. And then it's got carbon fiber wheels. You see the wheels?
Yeah, oh yeah.
I mean, wow, look at that.
Check out the suspension through the back window.
Well, it's got a cantilever, and you know that this car was one of the top 8 at Detroit Autorama.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, this is a top 8 car. So yeah, I've been watching every video. The car right here is rolling art, you guys.
Get down to here. Are you here?
I mean, wow. Chrysler 1000. Oh my God, this is incredible. Incredible car. I'm gonna double back and try to hit these guys' actual garage up. Badass, huh? Dude, this is next level. I want to say this is Nova. Yep, 66 Nova, you guys. You don't see a lot of these. You see more of the Chevelles, but this body style is very sporty, very clean. Beautiful lines. The chrome on this car is sick. It's clean. I mean, that chrome is just popping, man. As you can see, it's razor straight too. Nice wheel offset. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh yeah. Yeah, super clean. This thing is sick. Wow. Got that Coyote up in there. The candy on this is crazy. Clean. Beautiful candy. Nice. Beautiful. This is a clean car right here. The Chevy. This is 38. And this would have started off as. Wow. And take a look at that. Beautiful. Nice interior in this thing too. Art. This is art right here. Sitting on air ride. This Mustang right here. Man, this is clean. Mach. It says Mach 3 on here. This is 69. Beautiful car. Man, this thing's a beast. Pretty car, man. Damn, this thing is clean. Wow. Super clean car. Beautiful. Also has a roadster shop chassis, and it's been widened 1.5 inches on both sides with a mini tub. Yeah, this is sick. You don't really see these that often, so let's take a look at this. Look, it's got an old school big block in it. Got a cool intake. Beautiful paint on it. Clean, clean, clean. I mean, look at the back of that. Look like some cat eyes coming at you. Beautiful car. Beautiful car.
Thank you. You have a great health record. Oh, I'm telling you.
Teach them young. Clean. Look at that. Looks like a 60.
Give her a big round of
69.
applause, everybody. Rebecca.
Nelson's Racing Engines. Oh yeah, Nelson's. You know what they're about. They don't play no games. It's beautiful.
There's
Beautiful
your
blue
winemaker.
paint. Clean. That's a nice C10 right here, you guys. And it's turbo. Clean. Car right here. Clean. Man, this thing is clean. Badass truck right here.
Nice truck though, man.
Thank you.
Man, look at the fuel lines on that thing.
Great color. Thank you.
Clean. Monster blower. Look at this blower, you guys. Monsters. Wow. Double Holly. Thing probably sounds crazy. Good Guys Award winner. This is a 38 Gram. I thought it was a Zephyr. This is a Gram Phantom Cabriolet. Wow, never seen that like this. Suicide doors.
It's just a car.
Interesting. Very unique. Never seen anything like this before.
Look at the glass. That's why I noticed.
Man, Art Deco for real. Beautiful. And look at the gloss. A lot of clean cars, man. 67.
Where it all started, these are what you would typically see what they ran in the 50s and 60s. So
Clean.
these are all nitro cars, and a lot of times the reason why we like to use these
LS3.
Look
Look at that interior.
We still keep this alive. The firing motor is it's too easy for it to light off, so it's just a safety feature. But again, the other thing too is when you hear the fire up, they're typically on alcohol, and what that does is that builds heat in the motors, get it up to temperature because nitro carries its own oxygen, so it's easier for you.
Got Camaro or Corvette? Which one do you guys prefer? Raleigh Sport. It's clean. Looks more original for those who like OEM. This is a clean one. Beautiful. This is a 64. Got a candy on it too.
All right. Everybody give me a big round of applause out here.
Dark. Clean interior. Who?
Lemonade juice.
Oh, maybe it left it right down on the other side.
Here, right there by that truck, and then there was one down the other way.
I have coffee with 47 and
Clean. 66 Nova.
I like this car.
It's clean. Called the Ghost. Working with the owner and actually the shop owner, and you know, it looks like they do some good work out here in Gilbert, you guys. This one's got a Pro Charger, Holley Terminator X setup, and very clean. Very clean, man. The lines, the gaps, very nice build. Beautiful, classy, not over the top. Looks stock, but you know it's not. The old school Fords over here, all the coupes. All the 30s over here, you guys, for the 30s Fords fans. Lots and lots of them. Different variations. It's cool. A lot of cool cars.
Oh,
Badass. Never seen a car like this. Very unique. Says 54 Kaiser Darren. Kaiser Darren? Wow, I've never seen one of these. Wow.
I don't even think you'd fit in there.
Very unique car. Wow.
Look at the door.
I know. It slides inside.
Only pocket door ever made.
Oh yeah? Wow.
That's the guy's
The only pocket doors ever made. Look at that. The door slides in there. Wow. Wow. That's so cool. 4-door truck. With an LS3 in it. Ford guys might not like that, but it's a cool truck, man. Never seen that like this. So cool. Man, it's comfy back here too. Wow. I mean, look at the fit and finish, man. Clean. Take a look at that engine bay. Oh, look at this paint on this bay.
There's a lot of those cars this year.
56. Look at these wheels. I've never seen that crazy. Wow. Nobody does these 73s, man. This car is sick. I want to do one of these so bad. The engine cover, everything on this car is just, it's clean. And it's sitting on air ride. Tell me what you guys think. These are the Mustangs that are overlooked the most. Tuck the bumpers, center exhaust. Clean. 22s on the back, 18s on the front.
7,000 back to 2,400. Have so much yard. I don't have a big house payment. I don't like house payments at all, but I got one.
Clean.
But give me all your props.
Guys, Scottsdale, a lot of cool cars, met a lot of cool people. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what your favorite car is, and I hope to see you at the next car show. Muscle up.